Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is SHWETAVIJAY and going by the title, we are going to be talking about lip balms, alright? Lately, I've been a lip balm addict and I just wanted to make this video. I don't know how interesting it's going to be to all of you, but I've got some favorite lip balms. Most of them are from India. In fact, all of them are from India, and I've been a lip balm person because I guess it's got to do with mask, okay? So your lips dry out very quickly. So I want to make a whole separate video on my favorite tinted lip balms. Let me know if that's of any interest to you, then I shall definitely do that because I've got some favorites. But today I just want to talk about lip balms, lip oils that actually do the trick in just hydrating my lips, making it really nice and soft and chapped free. And I'm going to go with the first obvious one, and that is good old Vaseline. And right now you guys know that skin slugging has come into terms in the skincare world. Everyone, I'm talking about the older generation, used to apply Vaseline on everything, on your heels, on your lips, on your face. Oh my god. So Vaseline was the answer to everything. And then when skincare trends started to change, everyone was like, oh, you shouldn't apply petroleum jelly or Vaseline on your skin, it's not non-comedogenic. But right now skin slugging has come into questions, and that basically means that many people are using petroleum jelly and Vaseline all over their face and lips to retain moisture, okay? So just to make it really nice and soft and hydrated. Vaseline has always been my go-to when it comes to just, you know, helping with my chapped lips. So that is why I'm adding that to the mix out here, and also Borelin. Now Borelin is my tried and tested cream that solves every problem. You guys, it is so affordable, it is so effective. I mean, I've spoken about Borelin so many times on my channel before, but it just heals the most driest, cracked lips in the most beautiful way, okay? Borelin for the win, because I know there are many households out here, especially in Kerala. I know in Bengal, after my last video, a lot of Bengalis were like, Borelin Zindabad, because a lot of you love your Borelin. And even for my driest elbows, whatever the problem is, you know, if cuts or bruises or, you know, burn marks, Borelin has really solved the situation for me. So when it comes to lips as well, Borelin does an incredible job. Right, so let's move on to the next one. This is Ariana by ARSHNEET. This is the lip oil for soft and nourished lips. This has got calendula, chamomile, lavender and sea buckthorn. Now this is a great dupe of the Indulge Essentials lip oil, okay? And what I like about this is the tip applicator. It's got this little ball point, okay? So it's very cooling on the lips. You know, it's an oil kind of consistency, definitely, but it's not too thick and gloopy, okay? It's very, very thin, and it just moisturizes the lips, it hydrates. It's been my favorite for a very, very long time. I think that this is Ariana's bestseller because a lot of people love this lip oil. I have recommended this before many times in my videos, and I will keep doing so again in the future because it is that brilliant. The next one is also a lip oil that I have enjoyed, and that is Curé's. Again, very much like the Ariana one. Again, it's extremely hydrating, almost the same bottle as the Ariana one. It's slightly thicker than the other one only because it's got almond oil, it's got carrot seed oil and pomegranate oil. But it's very, very hydrating. I just like the way how my lips feel every time. You know, I like these travel friendly kind of a, you know, lip oil. The only thing that is a little bit is that, you know, that whiff of that, what can I say, almost like a fennel seed kind of a scent that comes out of it. Maybe it's the carrot seed or pomegranate, I have no idea, but it is beautiful. It's a very, very good lip oil, okay? The last lip oil that has made it to the list is the Bare Body Essentials. This is the Lip Serum Roll-On. Again, it's got that little thickness to it because of the sweet almond oil as well as argan, but very, very hydrating on the lips, and I just think it does the job as well. But this is for somebody who doesn't mind fragrance in their lip oil, okay? Because this definitely has got that subtle fragrance of, it's like cherries and strawberries and very very citrusy kind of a scent, which is quite strong, to be honest. It doesn't disappear. Okay, sometimes you can just taste it as well. So if you have a problem with fragrance as such, especially for your lip oil, then this is not the one for you. But I definitely have noticed how well it hydrates my lips, and you know, it just does the trick. The next one that made it to the list is, this one is from KHADI. This is the Peach Lip Balm, okay, from KHADI. Very mundane lip balm, does the trick, hydrates. It's got very subtle peach scent, okay? It's not overwhelming. It's got a very light consistency, okay? So this doesn't deeply hydrate and moisturize. So if you've got extreme chapped lips, probably this is not the one for you. But for your daytime use, if you're a college going student or you work in an office and you're looking for something that, you know, is just going to, you need to really warm it up and then apply on your lips, I have noticed that it's got a very light texture and it just gives a film of hydration on your lips. It just makes your lips not go further chapped. This is an extremely light lip balm and I have thoroughly enjoyed it. Let's move on to the next hydrating lip balm, and it's from a brand called Arata. I have no idea, okay, how to say this, but I think a lot of us are sleeping on this brand because I have tried a few of their skincare and I absolutely adore it. It's just amazing, okay? Especially this lip balm. It's got this shea butter kind of a texture because it's got cocoa butter in it. It's got sweet almond oil. It's got peppermint oil. It's also got cardamom in it. So that's why you get this whiff of cardamom flavor from this. But it really, really hydrates our chapped lips, okay? There's no fuss, it's no frills, basically it's just your basic lip balm that does a beautiful job in keeping your lips really, really soft. This is such a lovely lip balm, very affordable, highly recommend this, okay? So let's move on to another favorite one of mine, and that is Calendula lip balm from SUGANDA. What can I say about SUGANDA, guys? I've been talking about SUGANDA skincare for I think 3 years right now. I absolutely love the brand. The owner behind the brand, she puts in a lot of thought process, research. She observes and she has a passion towards, you know, giving you the best of the best ingredients. Calendula is fantastic for your skin, for your hair, and as well as very, very nourishing for your lips as well. So she made this Calendula lip balm, guys. This is such a hydrating lip balm. Again, there's just no fragrance. You know, it basically, you have to warm it up between your finger, and when you apply that, it goes very light in its texture, sits very well without, you know, moving whatever that you have, especially on top of your lipstick. It just sits very well. It hydrates under lipstick, over lipstick. I have really thoroughly enjoyed this lip balm. It's such a beautiful product. Highly recommend this SUGANDA lip balm as well. It's got beeswax, cocoa butter, calendula. You know, it's got avocado oil, and it's also got jojoba oil. All the goodness to just nourish your lips and hydrate it, okay? So definitely will recommend this. I've got a discount code for SUGANDA. Now let's move on to the next lip balm, and that is from Just Herbs, another brand that I adore, and they have come out with their lip balms. Basically, this is the Marigold Mango Lip Contour Balm, and this one is the Licorice Shea Lip Butter Balm. Both of them are a delight to work with, okay? You don't need to even melt this, okay? There are some lip balm like the Calendula one, you know, you just, or the Arata one, you have to slightly warm it up between your fingers before you apply on the lips. This, as soon as you take it out, it just breaks down into something so soft texture wise, goodness. You know, it breaks down into this beautiful oily balmy kind of a texture, and it hydrates the lips. You know, if you're looking out for something with deep, you know, like a deep nourishing kind of a lip balm, then this is not the one. Basically, this I feel is for, again, it's very much like the KHADI one, very light. You know, it's a very daytime lip balm. It leaves a very light texture, non-sticky texture. What a beautiful job done out here by Just Herbs. Let's move on to the next one, and that is my ever so favorite N Cosmetic. This is the Ghee lip balm. This is the clarified butter lip balm, okay, the ghee one. Now, it's called Glaze, and this is my favorite, okay? It's got that thick consistency. When you pick it up, you have to warm it up, and then when you apply on your lips, it deeply hydrates and nourishes, and it just makes your lips feel so fine and so soft. No matter what I'm going through, I mean, winter, you know, as you can see, I've used so much of it. That's how much I love it. It's a beautiful, beautiful lip balm. It has got that ghee-like consistency, which you have to warm up, and then, you know, it just sits on the lip. So it's almost like a lip mask. It just sits there. So it's a night lip balm. Definitely a night lip balm. Okay. Another night lip balm is this one called Tuscany Lemon and Green Tea Organic Lip Balm from Juicy Chemistry. You guys know that the lip balm from Juicy Chemistry is my all-time favorite. This has got, again, such a soft texture wise to touch. It just kind of like warms up, melts up very, very well. When it goes on the lips, oh my god, it just hydrates the lips so beautifully. It's not too thick, not too gloopy, at the same time not too thin. The consistency of the texture is just right. My lips tend to feel and look better. It feels extremely soft every time I apply this lip balm. There's a huge fan base when it comes to their lip balm for Juicy Chemistry, and rightfully so. The next two are from Earth Rhythm, and you guys, they have actually taken my breath away. Okay, it is that great. This is the lip butter, and this is the lip mask from the Earth Rhythm. I have the best of Earth Rhythm. Even there I have mentioned about this product. This definitely will be in the best of 2021 skincare, whatever. This reminds me, this one basically, the mask reminds me of Laneige sleeping mask, the lip mask. Laneige, I have no clue. Okay, I used it once. It's good. It's really good. It deeply hydrates. But I feel this is better, you guys, and it is cruelty-free. Win-win. And I just like the way that every time I apply this at night, it's almost like a mask, and it's got this very beautiful gloss-like sheen. That's what I love about this, okay? It's this non-sticky, non-tacky, kind of a feeling texture, sits beautifully on the lips and hydrates at the same time. And the lip butter. Now, the lip butter, like I mentioned in the best of Earth Rhythm, their old one, the one that came in a roll-up, in a wooden roll-up, I hated it. I'm so glad they discontinued that and they made this variant. Look at the packaging. First of all, isn't it cute? Very Summer Fridays, very, lip tinted. Okay, it just reminds me so much of that. I just like how travel friendly it is. I stopped reaching out for a gloss after I discovered this, I kid you not. Can you see that? It just gives a beautiful shine to the lips. Very gloss-like consistency without, you know, moving my lipstick. And this is so, so lovely. Extremely hydrating. Very, very moisturizing, hydrating, nourishing. All the beautiful words that I can get out for a lip balm, this does it. So these two are a match made in heaven. So yeah, guys, that completes the best lip balms, in my opinion, that's available in India at the moment. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I shall see you soon in my next, and until later, I'll see you when I see you. Bye for now.